Well, quickly let's see how a company manufacturing consumable items like cups or tissue papers can manage their business efficiently using Odoo. The platform involves modules like CRM, sales, invoicing, payments, customer care, e-commerce, manufacturing, and of course inventory management system. From CRM module, you can manage your pipeline. You can ensure multiple stages are available as per your requirements. For each of these requirements, you can maintain the expected revenue, probability, salespeople, and when are you expected to close the day. You will have efficient ways to manage your activities and see what is the progress of the team. Right from this pipeline, you will have the capability to generate your quotations. These quotations can be shared with customer over email, discounts, negotiations can be managed, and finally order can be placed. The order will contain the details of your lead time, prices, taxes, discounts accordingly. From these quotations, the system automatically generates your delivery cycles. The delivery and dispatch can be done based on the availability of the material at our locations, warehouses, and also the customer's locations. Based on these deliveries, we can generate invoices from the system as per the actual delivery, and for these invoices, depending on the client's requirements and the payment terms that has been agreed, the client would be expected to make the payments and this accounts will be reconcilable. Along with this, we will also be maintaining manufacturing of these items, starting with their bill of material definition, where we will be able to capture the bill of material in exact quantities. Depending on our requirement and the replenishment cycle, we will be able to run manufacturing of these items. Partial manufacturing, quality control, work order operations, costing, timings, all these things can be maintained in the system. The system ensures the traceability of these items and the product movement after each manufacturing cycle is completed. As you can see, the production moves the item to the finished goods stock, and these items can be used for dispatches. We also have the capability to manage through e-commerce platform where customers can do their shopping, and all these things can be added to cart and dispatched accordingly. Once the orders are placed, you will be able to check out using your preferred payment method, pricing, and most importantly, these orders can be placed. The system allows us to track status of your orders, the status of delivery these items, the status of invoices for the payments, and so on. You will also be able to raise your tickets and complaints through the customer care platform, and at any point of time will be able to track their status and communication from the team seamlessly. We also can manage complete reporting and dashboards for all these modules. The dashboard allows us to see the data for our sales, product related details, pipeline, different stages, invoicing numbers, manufacturing details, ticket throughput, warehouse metrics, operational analysis, and so on. Also possible is to see all the statistics through within the modules as well, where you can see different reporting options available in CRM like forecasting, pipeline, leads and activities. We have the capability to look at reports for sales like salesperson, product based reporting. We have warehouse capability where you can see current stock with their values along with the free to use capability. We can replenish the orders using the adjustment tools as well as the routes which is available, and depending on that you can set automatic rules to trigger the automatic inventory movement. Once this system is throughput, you will be able to manage your business quite efficiently, and most importantly will give you a throughput experience and provide the efficiency as you would expect. That's all for this video. Thank you very much, and kindly subscribe to Apache.